Let me introduce you to Gleematic AI and how it can be used during this COVID-19 situation. What are the things that we can help you with? Number 1, to remotely access IT systems. Number 2, process information from paper documents that have been scanned. Number 3, remotely monitor staff or equipment. So what is cognitive automation? It is an intelligent software bot that is like a virtual colleague, interacts with IT applications, ability to learn and be able to read data from multiple types of documents in multi-languages. Some benefits include higher productivity, superb accuracy, scalability, dependability, and quick ROIs. Some use cases: temperature monitoring. You can get the staff to update the temperature. We can fill up a Google form or fill into the HR system. The robot can check the form, detect which staff has not updated. It can send notifications or reminders, after which we can consolidate the info, monitor, and send alert if any staff is having fever. Online food ordering. Set up the food menu. Let your staff choose, after which the robot can compile, log on to the ordering system, and place the order. Repeat it on other days. Processing medical leaves or claims. Staff can submit medical leave or claims. Robot picks up the scans of the documents. If it is a medical leave, it will extract the data, after which it can enter and validate. Likewise for claims. Review. Get it approved, after which it can also integrate with your finance systems and make reimbursements. It can send email. It can also generate reports. You can let it access your desired IT systems. Consolidate data. Robot can visualize the data and then generate the reports. After it has finished, it can also send you an email. It can also monitor your factory's systems remotely. All you have to do is install into a computer in the office or your factory and remotely trigger it and then monitor the system. Here is an example of how the robot can work. This is an example of how the robot can process data from a document. The sample document here is an invoice. It can also be a claim form, a medical certificate, or anything that you want to process. After training, the robot is able to pick up data and enter the information into an Excel file. Subsequently, it will be able to open up your IT applications such as your ERP system or your finance system or your HR systems, and then be able to control it and enter the data accordingly. The bot will be able to also access data from websites. It can extract the data, put it into an Excel file, and even do sentiment analysis about the contents. The higher the score is, the more positive the sentiment. The bot is flexible to allow you to access any kind of systems or websites. Here are the links to more demo videos. If you want to find out more, you can go to YouTube, Gleematic, and search for more data. Otherwise, go to our website at Gleematic.com and you'll be able to find more data about us. That's our website, Gleematic.com. You can go to resources, go to COVID-19 special, and find out what we have put together for you as well. Feel free to contact us for more information. Thank you.